Hello, good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Our project is about AML doctor finding pneumonia. So we will use chest X-ray as an input and the AML algorithm doctor. Using that algorithm, we can find the patient has pneumonia or not. We shall present this scene in algorithm, the how we train the model and what is the detection process. So what is pneumonia? Pneumonia is a lung infection that occurs when germs like bacteria, virus, fungi get into our lungs. This can happen when your body natural defenses are weakened. So how to find pneumonia using chest X-ray? You can see the picture. There is one picture where this is a normal chest patient's chest X-ray and another patient who has pneumonia is chest X-ray. You can find there are a lot of white spots. So what it tells, a chest X-ray can snow white spots called infiltrates in the lungs, which can indicate pneumonia. So what are the white spots? Also called infiltrates. These white spots indicate there is an infection. Inflammation also in X-ray image, it shows inflammation in the lungs. And there is something called opacity, a white condensed area. If you look at in this, there are white condensed areas on the X-ray that indicates inflammation in the lungs. Consolidation, normally black and air-filled lungs tissue appears opaque on the X-ray. So today we are proposing a machine-based AIML doctor which can find using the machine, and another is a human doctor. We will be comparing them. So what is the algorithm? This is called CNN algorithm, which is nothing but convolutional neural network. It, for example, it takes the input, like taken a zebra. It has multiple pooling layer, okay, and it has each pooling layer is like a convolution, and there is a flattened layer, and then there's a fully connected neural network layer. And then finally, we'll find using the activation function whether this image which was given is a horse or zebra or a dog. Similarly, if you give another image which is about the patient chest X-ray, it can find whether you have pneumonia or COVID or any other virus for the patient. So going to the details of the algorithm, how the system find, how the algorithm find the whatever image you have given, whether it's a zebra or it's a dog or it's an elephant, how does it find? Similarly for the chest X-ray. So in this example, it will try to find the features, zebra's features, like first one, zebra's eye, then zebra's nose, then zebra's ears, then it's finding zebra's body, then it's finding zebra's leg. Now, if you look at, if you combine all of this, like eye, nose, ears, then you form a zebra's face. So in the first layer, you find individual features. Then you combine the features, then you find zebra's head. Then this is the zebra's body. Then when you combine the zebra's head and the body together, we call zebra. So this is how we find the feature using the CNN algorithm. This is how image detection is formed. Any image you give, it finds internally all the features, and then it combines it up and then finally declare what that image is all about. So we will go through the process. So overall process is like this as shown. The first is train the system, your model using AML CNN model. Then test the model, you give some of the image and see that it is working. Then do the performance analysis, whether how accurately you are giving. Then you fine tune so that your accuracy is much better. That is the overall process in the AML image processing. So then if you give any patient X-ray image, then AML doctor is able to find the patient has pneumonia or not. If you look at here, it is your AML doctor is looking at the chest X-ray image and trying to tell that whether